Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the NASDAQ100 futures chart. Very volatile trading session today. We got a daily close above the 200-day EMA that I was telling you guys about during this morning's video ahead of the market open. And then 1 hour before the market opened, we had some very key CPI inflation data out, and I think it was expected to come in at around 6%, and it actually come in at a lot higher than expected, up at 7.5%, which of course is not good for those who are very dovish on the Fed at this moment in time. You know, someone like myself, I was someone previously saying that I only see 3 to 4 rate hikes not so long ago, but you know, I think that's pretty now leaning more towards 4 to 5 rate hikes this year. I still do not believe that we're going to see 6 to 7, but of course higher inflation than expected should be seen as a massive negative thing. You know, inflation ultimately kills the consumers and businesses. It is a silent and a slow killer, and I think now you know, companies and consumers are really starting to struggle with these high inflation prices. Most earnings calls that we've heard from CEOs this earnings season, we've heard them pretty much tell us how bad it's getting at this moment in time. So the Fed needs to act, and by acting I mean hiking interest rates. And now there's a very high percentage, I think on the survey it's just gone up to 62% chance now there will be a 50-point rate hike in March, where initially it was expected to be 25. So that, of course, has been seen as a slight negative here for the NASDAQ100. Earlier on, we did go as low as 2.4%, but you know what? Investors have come in and bought the dip. So although we are trading in the red for today's trading session, I would actually look at it as a massive positive, because it just shows that investors are willing to support the NASDAQ100 when it does dip now, where previously, you know, when I say previously, I mean January time, the market just kept on dipping and going lower and lower and lower. You know, it just wasn't really finding a bid, where now times have changed. So I really like the NASDAQ 100. I think we just got to look out for where the market closes during today's trading session. If we can get that close above the 200-day EMA and bear the majority of our losses, then that should be seen as a huge positive, and then we should return up towards 15,300. If not, it may just be that we you know, we kind of tread around this 14,700 to 15,000 price for a while, and that will just basically be part of a stabilization that I was on about earlier on this week, and then eventually we will get that catalyst, whether that's inflation figures starting to cool off, or you know, maybe some comments from the Fed, or more earnings, but eventually we will get that catalyst, which should eventually push us above the 200-day EMA, and then ultimately above the 50-day EMA. So I'm bullish, and any major dips I see as a fantastic buying opportunity. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.